some?
You giving him chocolate?
Take a whole handful.
I was like,
Why not? There you
no,
go.
do that.
Yeah, don't give the dog chocolate. Might be the last thing you ever do.
Haven't I cookies?
Oh, you have to ask the man behind the
Yeah,
train.
no, this-
It takes like, it takes
Take a lot of chocolate.
What do we need?
5 pounds of baker's chocolate.
Damn.
So, and that baker's chocolate is like,
Strong.
So I'll just
All right.
take the whole cart.
Jim?
Oh, right. I have to look for that. I didn't have a chance. No, that's
Don't
fine.
take the whole cart.
Jasper?
It's very possible.
Would you like
I
to?
remember how you emailed it to me, but I don't remember if I
He's got a
texted it.
cookie. Dude's set.
You may have emailed it to my
I'll take the whole
Hotmail
cart.
address, but I would have to put it back.
Now you're thinking. I'm surprised nobody declares themselves the mayor of Railroad Town and just takes the tax every time they drink it.
You want a tip?
Alright, well, it's time for my union. Oh, man!
You're good. You still get it.
Okay.
You should add something else to it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Money. Tom, the kids want money.